You know what? I always thought that it will never happen to me, you know. I always look at people around me going through the most, you know, going through the process of losing their houses and stuff. And you know, I just want to make something clear. You know, people rejoice when you fall. People aren't happy when you succeed. People want to see you. People want to see you fail in life. You know what I mean? And that for me is such a, how can I say, it's sad, man. You know, when people rejoice when one fails in life, we don't make it in life, you know. They rather want to see you collapse than rise up, you know. Now I know a lot of you clicked on this video because you saw that I was losing my house. Don't lie. You were gonna rejoice now. You were gonna take the pleasure of seeing me crying, breaking down, and saying, "Oh my fuck, I fucked up, blah blah blah," and then you would feel all good because that is people. That's most people. Okay, let me rather say that. That's most people. There's 1 or 2 or 3 or good of you that, but most of you clicked on this video because you wanted to see someone distraught, someone weak, broken down, defeated. That's why you came onto this video. That's why you clicked that video. Okay? Now this will probably be one of the most views I'll get because this is the content people like. This is what people like seeing. They like to see other people falling down. That is what it's about. They don't want to hear upliftment stuff about good vibes. They want drama. They want to see. They want toxicness, entertainment. You want to be entertained by other people's failures. That's what it's about. Okay. So it's sad. It's sad. It's sad that the world has come to this. That the people that we are dealing with today is all about that. It's all about failure. It's all about seeing a next person fall and fail. Sad. Anyway, peace up.